What if I told you the sun, a life-giving star, could unleash a burst of energy a million times more powerful than every nuclear bomb ever detonated? And in just seconds. That's not a science fiction, it's real and it's terrifying. It's called a solar flare. But here's the twist. One of these eruptions could knock out every satellite, GPS and power grid on Earth, and you'll never see it coming. So what exactly is solar flare? Why does it happen? And when will the next one hit us? Let's dive straight into the sun's most explosive secret. A solar flare is a sudden, intense burst of radiation coming from sun's atmosphere, specifically from regions called active regions, which usually form near sunspots. Imagine this, the sun's magnetic field gets tangled like a twisted rubber band, and when the tension gets too extreme, it snaps. That release in a solar flare, and it hurls X-rays, ultraviolet radiation and high energy particles into space at near light speed. Some flares are so strong they're classified as X-class, the most dangerous, and they can reach Earth in just 8 minutes. And here is where things get real. If a powerful flare is aimed directly at Earth, it can trigger a geomagnetic storm, disrupting satellites, disabling power grids and even blinding aircraft navigation systems. And do you guys remember the Carrington event of 1859? It was the largest solar storm in recorded history. Telegraph lines caught fire, auroras were seen near the equator, and if that happened today, experts estimate the economic damage could exceed $2 trillion. Satellites offline, internet gone, banks, airlines, GPS, even military operations crippled. And that's just the flare, sometimes followed by an even bigger monster. Now the question is, what causes the solar flares? Solar flares are usually caused by magnetic reconnection, and here is how it works. The sun's plasma churns and moves because it's a giant ball of charged gas, not a solid. This motion creates magnetic fields that twist and build tension. When the stress becomes too much, those magnetic lines snap and reconnect, releasing an enormous amount of energy. That's your flare. It's like the sun's firing a magnetic slingshot into space. And here's the chilling part. This process is still not fully understood by scientists. On Earth's surface, the atmosphere protects us from solar flare radiation, but astronauts in space, airline passengers flying over the poles, satellites in orbit, they are at risk. Solar flares can disrupt communication, damage satellite electronics, expose astronauts to harmful radiation, and during the peak solar activity, like the current solar cycle 25, these flares become more frequent and intense. The sun follows an 11-year cycle of activity, moving from solar minimum to maximum. Right now we are heading towards solar maximum in 2025. That means more sunspots, more magnetic chaos, and yes, more solar flares. In 2022, NASA and NOAA issued multiple warnings after X-class flares disrupt radio communication in the Pacific. We are not guessing anymore. The sun is active and it's waking up fast. And can we predict solar flares? We can monitor the sun with advanced satellites like SDO, SOHO, Parker Solar Probe, but prediction, that's a challenge. Flares occur within minutes of magnetic reconnection. Right now we can see them happen, but we can't say when or where the next one will explode. That's why agencies like NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center are building AI-powered models to forecast solar events. Because one day a flare might not just disrupt your GPS, it could change the world. So now you understand what solar flare is, but here's the terrifying truth. The most powerful solar storms in history weren't just flares. They were planet-shaking events that left scars on human civilization. In our next episode, the most powerful solar storms in history, you'll discover how dangerously close we have come to disaster and why the next one could be far worse. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because here's the truth. What you don't know about the sun could knock out your entire planet, and the storm is only just beginning. And I'll meet you in the next video.